It helps if you already have this one locked, so you can just put it over. Make sure that her bum is actually sitting curved and not inside of this thing. You can keep her arms inside, but sometimes she wants to have one pulled up for a little more freedom. It just depends on the baby and how you're feeling. If she does have both arms out, she still has the support. Make sure your baby is not trying to hang out. It's just instinct for me sometimes too to just keep keep a hand on. There you go. If you need to adjust it, if you need to adjust this, you can go up a little bit. Just make sure she's not being crushed, that she still has a little curve on her back. This you would pull the back one, not the one here, although you can if you need to adjust this part of it. This is exactly how I need it, and I can just walk around. And she's comfortable. So far what I've done is I put on the back all like the sweaters and jackets. Then it's the dresses that I have, all in black hangers, and then the little section here with the gray hangers are the few skirts that I have. And then starting with that, with the teal and the white are all the shirts that I'm gonna keep. And this is a mixture of spring and summer. All this pile here is like the winter stuff, which I plan to put it in one of those Ziploc bags for clothes, and hopefully just put them up there in that space. And all these hangers, I have to find a new space for them. Here are my maternity clothes. I have to also put him in a bag and just hide him somewhere on the top. So hopefully I can use them again. But in the meantime, this is all I got. Finally. That means I can go eat. There's nothing like mom's cooking. Some rice, some some lentils, and some potatoes. And you can't forget the sour cream. Gracias, mama. So far, I think I finished everything. All this sorted out. On top are the winter clothes, maternity clothes, and other random things such as my wedding dress. And then on the bottom it's like my underwear, and here are gonna be my pants, my PJs, and then I put back those tubs. There is her stuff. Since there's a space up there, that's where I'm gonna put those bags of baby clothes that I will not get rid of. Those are just little things that I can't get rid of. So I'll just put them up there. Hopefully use it for the next baby. I got to do a lot today. I feel pretty... What do you feel? And do you feel productive? I feel productive. You? Anyway, that's what we have so far. Good morning! It is the next day. Again, I couldn't finish yesterday's vlog because it just gets crazy in the evening. But this morning I started to get some pancakes done for the family. I decided to use up the rest of the blueberries that we had and put them in, toss them in. These are some vegan pancakes for my family. Hopefully they like it. Messy kitchen after preparing breakfast. Dishes clean, dirty. Have to put some stuff away. Let's get cleaning. The battery on my camera died. I have no clue why the battery hasn't been charging as fast as I was expecting. I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I was cleaning the kitchen. I want to at least show you that I got the counters done. Picked up everything that was in there. Everything's washed. And I cleaned in here and kind of spot cleaned whatever I could in here. Nothing too, not deep cleaning, just something quick.